Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, one of the best parts of being a music fan is discovering new artists, albums and even songs you have never heard before. So Amazon Music has several features designed specifically to help you find your next favorite track, from personalized recommendations to new releases and even curated playlists. There is always something fresh to explore. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you all the ways to discover new music in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we have the first method. It's checking your home screen. Open Amazon Music, make sure you are fully connected, log in, and look for the Home tab. You will see personalized section like recommended for you, songs and albums Amazon thinks you will basically like based on your listening history. Because you will listen to artist recommendations inspired by specific artists you enjoy, then top playlists for you. Curated playlists tailored to your tastes. So for the method number 2 is also like browse new releases. You can use the search button or the browse tab. Look for any new release or latest albums. You can filter by type to see new music in the styles you love, then tap any album to preview or even listen. You can use the Discover section as well. Some versions of Amazon Music have a dedicated Discover tab. There you will find fresh finds, up and coming artists, type spotlights, deep dives into specific styles, or even curated collections, playlists made by Amazon's music experts. As for the method number 4, listen to radio stations. As we covered in previous videos, starting basically a radio station from a song or artist is a great way to discover similar music you might not know, just to go through basically songs that you know and start a radio from there. And that's it. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.